Hello guys, I'm Sunil. Today we'll continue with the rest of the class
Okay.
in
Switch
collection
set.
framework. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Uh, so basically, see Gnatga, this is for you. Is my voice is fine, guys? Audible?
The screen కనిపించట్లేదు.
Okay. I think I haven't shared a Gmeet. Is my voice is fine?
Yeah, your voice is.
Yeah, guys. Sumant, can you say some points about the list?
About list you are
Uh,
list can allow the heterogeneous objects
okay. Heterogeneous objects are
and
allowed.
insertion order is preserved
Okay.
It's allowed.
Insertion order is
and
preserved.
question
Insertion order is preserved. Then okay.
duplicates are allowed
Duplicates. Okay. Next.
and we can insert the null object also.
We can insert null object also. Okay. Okay.
Uh,
We'll try a small example with this. Okay. Fastly. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. So basically, this is interface or class month.
What's the name?
This is interface or class.
This is a interface. List is the immediate interface of the collection.
Yes. So list itself is an interface, right, Sumant?
Yeah.
So for an interface, can you create an object? No, right?
We cannot create interface cannot be instantiated.
Exactly. So you cannot create object for list. Am I correct? List L1 equal to new list. Like that you cannot create. Okay, na?
We will get the error. Yeah.
Exactly. So the error would be cannot be instantiated like that. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So there is no class named list. Okay, na? So you should in what you call it overriding. I have told you a model called parent p equal to new child. Have you remembered? Something like that.
Yes.
So you should go with that way. Okay, na? To create, suppose if you want to do some example on list, you should go with that way. Okay. So here parent is what is that? Parent is list, right? And child is what is that? Array list. Okay, na? Hello. Parent is list and child is array list. Is that fine?
Yes.
So we'll frame something like that. Okay. List L1 equal to new array list. Okay. Okay, na? Is that fine, someone?
Yeah.
Okay. So now you can add anything to this list and you can print. Okay, na? So L1 dot add of 10. So I haven't specified a generic type. Am I correct? L1 dot add of null. L1 dot add of string. Okay, na? Okay, something like that. So print L1. Okay, guys. So I'm just running the code. Okay, na? Sumant, is that fine? Sumant, hello? Ramakrishna, is that fine?
Fine.
See, this is nothing but parent p equal to new child. Okay. Whether you give this angular bracket, like, that is for generic, it is not an issue. Okay. We'll see that also. But this is something like, parent p equal to new child. Okay. That model. Okay. Na? Because in the last class, I haven't told you this example. Directly, I went for array list. Am I correct, guys? ముందున్నావా
Hello.
Yeah, are you there, Suman?
Yes, yes. Some headphone issue I got. Yeah. Now it's fine.
Yeah, I'm saying
Yeah.
in the last class, I haven't told you this example. I directly go for this one. Okay? Array list.
Exactly. That's what I was trying for list L1 equal
Yeah,
to
yeah.
10.
Actually, I was,
getting,
yeah.
that's what I was getting some issue. So I thought I will ask that question. You only told before asking. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, now we'll go for array list. Okay, na?
Yeah.
Quickly, we'll write that example. Okay. See, for collection, the child is list. For list, the child is array list, linked list, vector, and vector, the child is tag. Okay. Please remember this hierarchy. Okay, guys.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is that? Array list, right? Array list. Okay. We'll quickly write that example. Okay. Just we'll have that point over here. So the collection interface. Collection interface. The child is what is that? List. For list interface, there are multiple childs. Okay. One is array list.
Another is linked list.
Array list, linked list, right? Then vector, then vector child is tag. Okay, na? Right. So
Clear.
now we'll have some program on array list. Okay. See, this is a class. That's why we are able to create object for this array list. Okay. Okay, na? Suman.
Yes, yes. Got it.
So here the insertion order is preserved. Okay. See, whatever the futures applicable for list, that will apply to array list as well. Okay. Please remember that point. Okay, na? Okay, Suman.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, in list we have some methods, some okay, some some famous methods. Let me speak out. Okay. So that will apply to all the childs. Okay, na? So first one is add. Okay. That we'll see. We'll see next one add all. Okay. Add all means if you want to add a total collection, okay, to some other list, okay, then you should go for add all. Okay. And get, you already know, right? Sumant, get.
Yes.
And remove. Okay. See, people used to confuse over here, guys. While trying to remove, while applying remove operation, people will often give the direct element. Okay. So you should give index over here. Okay. Na? You should give index so that it will remove that index. Okay. Na? Is that fine, Sumant?
Yes, yes.
And then set method. Okay. Set method is like, suppose particular index you want to, you want to set some object. Okay, na? Like that. You will give like that. Okay, na? Okay, guys, is it fine?
Yes.
Okay, chalo, let's move. See, we'll try these all things, okay, in all those all these methods, okay, na? Add 100.
We can add the object also, right?
Yeah, exactly. You can add an object also. I will speak out all those things, okay? Like, you're saying about student object, customer object, like that, right?
Yeah. Right.
Yeah, we can add that as well, okay? Okay, this out. Okay, na? Let's see that fine. Okay. Yeah. And I have mentioned some constructors of that array list. So what are the some constructors, Sumant? Can you speak out? Constructors of array list.
Yes.
Cheta.
Like if we can create an empty array list which will have the size of 10, like default size. 10.
Exactly.
When we create
Yeah. So if you create an array list like this, so basically what happens internally, like when you're trying to create like this, it is some array list is a class, Sumant. Okay, internally, right? So it will create a size of 10. Okay.
Yes.
create size of 10. Okay. Size of 10. Okay. So basically, if the array list reaches its capacity, if array list reaches its capacity, then the size will be increased by a particular, ratio. Okay, some particular factor. Okay, some size will be, then size will be increased by a particular factor. Okay. Okay. So basically, I have found some formula for that. Okay. So you can say like, yeah. See, basically the interviewers will ask this as how much size like that. Okay. So new capacity, you can say, the old capacity into 3 by 2 capacity. So yeah, you can directly like, 3 by 2. Yeah, it's 1.5 plus 1. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Na? You can say this. Okay. In this ratio, it will increase. Okay. Na? Sumant, is that fine?
Yes, fine.
Okay. Suppose if you want to, okay, if you want to create some array list with some specified size, you can specify that size number. Okay. Na? If you want, this will create an array list of size k. Okay.
Yes.
This will create array list of size k. Okay. 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 That's the end of array list. Okay. Is that fine, Sumant? Hello?
Yes. There are other two constructors, right? We can.
Yeah. Other two constructors. Okay. Yeah.
I need like.
Yeah. That is,
like,
if you want to directly, if you want to directly convert some hash set into array list, directly you can place that also. That is the third constructor. 3 constructors are there.
Yeah.
So you can place some hash set like that. Okay. This is third constructor. Okay. Okay. Okay, Sumit. And next topic is I have told the difference between array list and vector. Am I correct? So can you speak out, Sumit? Gnat, can you tell me what is vector? How it is different from list?
Vector is first.
What is
Vector can be simply considered.
చెప్పు vector synthesis synchronized. Every method is synchronized. Okay.
Yeah, multithreading is not allowed.
When we synchronize means multi-threading is not allowed. Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, performance is low compared to the
Yeah.
list.
Thank you, Gnat, for watching the video. Okay, fine.
Yeah, thank you. But last,
Performance is obviously slow, right? See guys, in one of the company I have faced, they have asked me the same question. What is difference between vector and array list? Okay. Right. Okay. Hence you can say vector object is thread safe. Okay.
Yes.
Your object is thread safe.
Multiple threads cannot operate them. Yeah.
Exactly. Okay. So we'll see what are the methods of vector like that as well. Okay. Okay. Na? Hmm. See, in this array list, we haven't seen the some other methods, right? Like suppose, sorry. Yeah, if you want to remove, okay. Suppose if you if you want to remove, you give the index, not the number, guys. Okay, sorry, not the object which you want to remove. Give that object index. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, now because it is wrong basically. Okay, if you give the object, okay.
Yes.
See that 100 will remove the 100 entry. Okay, na?
Yes.
I'm just printing after that, right? See, I have removed that 100. Okay, na?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, and there are some other methods. What is that? Set, right? Set. Okay, na? Suppose if you want to set at zero index, okay, some al dot set of at index 0. I want to, I want to set, 555 like that. Okay. Now, if you print if you start with 555 and underlying data structure is Sumant for this,
For what?
for
Array list.
array list. Yeah. Underlying data structure is
A resizable array or like
growable
global
array. Here, it is underlying data structure is resizable or growable array. Underlying data structure is. See, is my voice is fine?
Yes, fine, fine.
Then it is resizable or growable array. See, these interviewers more interested, okay, to test your knowledge on how internally it works, how a list works internally, how hash map works internally, okay, how hash set works internally, how linked list works internally, okay. You should, and how that
They
size
want
will
me
increase,
to know the
how the internal working, how the size will increase, something like that. Because they just don't expect, add method, set method, remove, or what is the syntax. They want to test you on those, okay. What is the difference between array list and vector, okay, like that, okay.
they want like theoretically like how strong you are.
Yeah, exactly. See, that working of hash map, I have faced in n number of interviews, okay? And there is a lot of scope to ask a question on the hash map, okay? Working of hash map, okay? Na?
If we know just like hash map is like even
Uh-huh.
where it's nothing, right?
No,
We
you
have to
should
know
write put
the
method, Sumant, okay? You should write put and get method, okay, for hash map. You should implement. See, in system design rounds, they will ask you define put and get for hash map methods, okay? And now you're happily keeping, right? HM dot put off, you're happily keeping, right? And HM dot get off, you're
Yes.
happily getting, right? It's not the you should implement your functionality, right?
Okay.
So that way, okay, you should make a note of. And linked list. When coming to linked list, the underlying data structure is what?
Doubly linked. Doubly.
Exactly. Thanks for remembering. And data structure is doubly linked list. I think I have explained you what is doubly linked list in the last class. Am I correct?
Yes,
So
sir.
it has both left side pointer and right side pointer. We can traverse in
Right.
both the ways. Okay.
Both point. Yes.
See, suppose, see, in the array list, okay, suppose if you want to insert, okay, all the places, okay, it's like, you should move remaining elements. Okay, suppose, let me open the pane.
That's
Yeah, 1 minute. Suppose if there are 100 elements, if you're trying to insert at index 10 or 9, somewhere around, okay, now you should move the rest of the elements. Adana. And suppose you're trying to keep over here, okay, now already some number will be there, right, at this index. So you should move these all numbers to the right by
right side
by single place, okay,
by one.
by one place, okay, na, atla. So other number. So it is, when, so while trying to insert the data, the performance is bit slow, right? It will take some
So time comes.
time complexity. So in that case, suppose if you're trying to frequency insert or frequency deleting, go for linked list, okay.
So in linked list, it won't.
No, yeah. Linked list, it's like, suppose it's a single linked list or double linked list, directly we can directly move to till that position, okay. And you can, if you know the data structure, we can understand better, but I'll tell you. Ramakrishna, do you know the implementation of linked list, Ramakrishna?
I forgot to explain so long.
Okay, fine. So the thing is, suppose if we want to insert, okay, up between 2 and 3, okay, between 2 and 3, okay, the node, okay, then how it is, okay, then we'll come over here, okay, first we'll make a link okay, we'll make a link from here to here, okay. Then we'll just break that link from here to here. That's it. And this link will be broken. You got it? Is that fine, guys?
Okay.
So in that, so it is matter of two steps. Okay, if you know linked list, no, like implementation, and if you're able to, if you're trying to solve some programs on this linked list, okay, in the data structure concept, then you come to know better. But this is how, guys. Okay, first that node will come over here, and that node will come over here, and this will make a
Point out.
this new node will point to the first we'll make right side link, okay, this right side link, then we'll make this left side link, okay, అదనమాట విషయం, okay, అది okay.
Got it. Got it.
Yeah, suppose if you it's a data structure concept, but again if you're trying to make a left side connection, no, then this loop will go in air directly. If you're trying to make over here, then there is no connection between these two and this, and ఇది పోతుంది ఇంకా అర్థమైందా.
Yes, yes.
I was not able to, I might not able to give a particular specific sense or like that, but yeah, please, if you're completing this after the course, or okay, if you're trying to try some data structure programs on linked list, okay, yeah, you can find tutorials, yeah, anything like that. Okay. Yeah, if you're suppose if you're trying to insert frequently, right? In frequently or delete frequently or deletion, go for. See, guys, in interviews, many times I have faced the same question. Okay, suppose if you're trying to insert, a delete frequently, then which data structure you choose? Like that, they will ask you. What you will tell, guys? Then you should say linked list, okay, na? Not array list, okay?
Yes, sir.
And they will ask what is the difference between these two. Okay, between difference means you should say like these points actually, okay. అట్లా అనమాట, అర్థమైందా? So again, null insertion is possible, okay, null insertion possible, and duplicates allowed, okay. Okay, guys, duplicates allowed, and what else? Heterogeneous objects are allowed. Okay, Nyapka, are you following, Nyapka?
Yes, following.
Thank you. See, in specific to linked list, we have some methods, okay. So what are they? That is add first, okay. Suppose if you want to add a first node, okay, or if you want to add a last node, add first, add last, okay. Then get first, get last. These are particular methods of that linked list, okay. Get first, get last, okay, and remove first and remove last, okay. Remove first and remove last. See, these all meaning, this, see, this words make you, bit feel, bit bad. But if you try to implement the linked list on your own, this makes sense really, guys, okay na. But I can tell you what that meaning, okay. Remove last. See, this will, we can add a starting element here, okay, by using this. We can add a last element by using this. We can try to fetch the starting element from this. You can try to fetch the last element from this, and you're trying to remove, okay, first, and trying to remove last, okay. See, guys, okay na. Sumant, is that fine?
Yes.
So yeah, these are see what I'm trying to say is, whatever the methods there in the list, that will come to linked list, array list, and all the chains, and the specific methods will apply to them only, okay. Okay, Sumant. Hello.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Got it, right? Okay. Then how many constructors are there in linked list, Sumant?
So,
What are they?
like, just we can create like linked list with some size, like
Yeah, not size, default linked list.
not the default link.
Yeah, and one with the in trying to convert some other collection to linked list, okay.
Yes.
Okay, some other collection, suppose something has something like some. Okay, you can don't specific that some collection. Okay. Yeah, now we'll quickly see that example. Okay, na? Some English example. Okay, guys.
Yes.
Guys, today I will take bit extra time. Is that fine?
Yes.
Thank you. Okay, linked list LL equal to new linked list. Okay. See, I always trying to say this collection framework is not a difficult one. Okay, except the comparator and comparable, nothing is there in collection. But you should remember how these things work internally, how these functions apply, how that function for atla. Okay, na? It's like multi-threading. It's not a difficult one. Okay. Just a minute, guys. I'm plugging my charger. So, guys, whoever using Eclipse, try Control Shift O. Okay, automatically it will add imports. Okay, na? Okay. What is that? Control Shift O. It's a shortcut. Okay, na? I think if
Okay,
you know
control
already,
shift
it's
O.
fine. If you don't know, try it. Okay. So if there are 10 imports, no, don't try to import everything. Just try do Control Shift O. That will come. Okay. The imports will be added automatically. Okay, guys.
Okay.
See what I told. The methods in the list and the methods in the linked list will apply to this linked list. Ante kada.
Yeah.
So first one LL dot add of 10. LL dot add of 20. LL dot add of null. Then LL dot add of some string. Okay. Okay. Okay, na? So just will try to print this. Guys, I haven't received any assignment from any of you in this collections topic. Okay.
Yeah, I will be sending
Yeah, please
today.
send. Okay. Now what I told, you can use the specific method of linked list. What are they? Add first to add last. We will try some few methods. Okay, na? Then we can move on. L dot. See, add first. Add first. Okay. Some 11 you add. Okay. Then you print. Try to print. Okay. Then the first number should be 11, right, guys? Okay, na? Yeah. So yeah, remaining methods definitely will work, guys. Okay. Please try that. Okay. I don't want to try everything else. Yeah.
What add first will do? Sorry, it will add as
It will add as first number. That's it.
that's it. Okay. Add last.
Just last element. Okay.
Will
Get
add
first
the
means it will fetch the first number. Get last means it will fetch the last number. Okay. Remove first means it will remove the first element. Remove last means it will remove the last element. See, these names. Okay. Again, I'm saying these names may sound a bit, illogical. But okay, if you're trying to, if you're I think the CSC guys over here, I think in the BTech, they might come across the some, uh, the FAQ question, 10 marks question, implement a linked list code they used to write, right? Because I took DSE as a మాకు హానర్స్ ఏ ఉంటాయి అనమాట ఎక్స్ట్రా సబ్జెక్ట్స్ ఐ టుక్ డిఎస్సి లైక్ దట్ ఇన్ విత్ మైనర్స్ కదా రామకృష్ణ అంతే కదా హలో
Correct.
మైనర్స్ కదా పేరు కూడా
Yes,
మర్చిపోయాను
minor.
మైనర్ సబ్జెక్ట్ I took DSA like that actually in BTech second year I think.
Because you are
వద్దు
compassionate about software.
వద్దు let's get back to the topic. Okay, so this is the end of this linked list guys. Okay. Now
Yes.
now vector Sumant. Again for vector what is the underlying data structure Sumant?
Uh, Sorry, I did not.
Yeah, it's again a growable array. Okay.
Yeah.
See, you won't use vector much actually. The vector v equal to something new vector. You won't use much, but the interviewers will ask, okay, what is vector, okay, and what is difference between list and
Mostly
vector?
we use the array list and
Linked list, that's it. Okay, we won't use vector anytime. Okay, and that's why I won't teach much. Okay, now there are some methods I won't. There are many methods you can go online. Okay, you can find those methods. Just I will teach single example. Okay. Sorry, underlying data structure is growable array. Yeah. Growable array. Okay. Next, yeah, it is what I told. It's a synchronized. The methods in see it is synchronized. It's a no meaning, guys. The methods inside the vector class are synchronized. Okay. Suppose
Yes.
someone is saying some data structure is thread safe means the methods inside it are thread safe. That is the meaning. Okay. Don't think how that vector becomes synchronous. That's illogical. The methods inside the
The
vector are
methods inside.
yeah. Then you can say it is synchronized. The methods inside the vector are okay na? Okay, there are some methods Sumant, okay. See, add element, remove element. Okay, let me write add element. Sorry, add remove. Okay, like that. Okay, okay. Just you go through these methods. Okay, you'll find. Okay, na? I'll just let me wrap up with a single example.
Sure.
Vector v equal to okay v dot c. We'll find add. See guys, this add method, the return type is boolean. Add element is return type. There is no return type. See, you can see void, right? See, it is no need to speak much about it, but yeah. Let's run the code. Okay, guys. Both are adding only. Okay, don't confuse. Okay, yeah. Guys, now we'll speak about what is stack. Okay, some example on stack. Okay, na?
Yeah.
And some famous examples on stack. Ramakrishna, do you know what is that famous example on stack? ఇప్పుడు దాకా ఎన్ని ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ వచ్చిందో కూడా నాకు తెలియదు ఏంటి
Famous example on stack.
అడుగుతున్నాను డూ యు నో దట్ ఫేమస్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఆన్ స్టాక్ నాట్ రియల్ టైమ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ కాదు సమ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ సమ్ ఫేమస్ అప్లికేషన్ ఆఫ్ స్టాక్
అది infix post reconversion అదే.
Not like that. See, they will give you some expression. they will ask you whether it is balanced or not.
Valid parenthesis or
Exactly. So this is guys. Definitely, I'll give you this as a homework, okay? Because this question for me, I faced no 10 నుంచి 20 interview, 10 to 20 interviews, I have faced the same question. Okay, they will give expression like this. They will speak. They will say like whether it is balanced or not. Okay, na? Suppose this one is not balanced. Huh? Balanced or not? అంటే equal opening and equal closing ఉండాలి, right? If something, suppose this one is not balanced because extra closing is there, right? And this one is also not balanced, extra closing is there. And this, so you should do this with the easily with stack, guys. Okay, na? Okay, now the most common point is it is a child class of vector, guys. Stack. Okay, na? In hierarchy, if you see hierarchy, stack means child class of vector. Okay, okay, na? Whenever you want LIFO principle, last in first out principle to be applied in a particular scenario, then go for stack. Okay, na? And the methods which are common to stack are, tell me guys, push, pop, and peak, I think. Correct? Yeah, that's it, guys. Okay, na?
Yeah.
Okay. Guys, do you want me to write the code for this also, some example, or okay, let me write. Okay, you can write s dot sys out. Yes, sir. Okay. Then s dot pop. Then guys, the last element will be popped out, guys. Okay, na?
okay.
See, first it will be like internally how it works. First, it will be like how it like let me draw the diagram. It will be something like this, guys. Okay, okay, na? So first A will be come here, then B will, okay, see. So if we pop, the last element will be popped out. Okay, na? So 100 will be popped out. Okay. Error. Okay, guys, that's it. And what else, guys? If you go to set a hierarchy, okay, let us complete that as well today. Just we'll have some quick recap. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the set hierarchy is set, sorted set, navigable set, and tree set. Ante kada. That is one hierarchy. Am I correct, guys? See, set, sorted set. Guys, I told you the linked list is child of two things. Indirect it is child of list, and indirect it is child of queue also, guys. Okay, na? Okay.
Yes, yes.
To keep that point in mind. Okay, like in some cases, yeah. Exactly. In some case, it will help you. Okay, na? Okay. Then comes tree set, guys. Okay. Sorry. And the second hierarchy set, what is that? Hash set, linked hash set. Antana?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Guys, I want someone to answer what is the difference between hash set and linked hash set.
Insertion order is preserved.
Exactly. Hash set, there is no insertion order. And linked hash set, there is insertion order. Okay. See, people, there is something requirement like, some duplicates are not allowed and the insertion order is preserved. People go with hash set and they will end up with wrong answers, guys. Okay. So keep that point in mind. Okay. Okay, now, guys, here the sorted set is interface and navigable set is also interface and tree set is only class. Is that fine, guys?
Yes, yes.
These are all three are interface. So you cannot directly create objects for these three. Okay, na? Ante kada. And you can create objects for only tree set, hash set, and linked hash set. Ante kada. Guys, is that fine? Hello?
Yes, Sunil.
Okay. So now we'll see some example of sorted set. Okay. Yeah, just a minute. Sorted set or sorted map. Okay, anything. Okay. So basically it will provide the in sorted means the name itself you can say. Okay. Sorted set means the number elements are in sorted order. Am I correct? Yes.
Yes.
Okay, na? Okay. Let us try some example for sorted set. What is the child, guys, for sorted set? Tree set. Ante kada?
Yes.
So go with this flow only because you cannot directly create. Okay. Okay, na? So the main thing, anything for set, guys, you know, duplicates are not allowed. Am I correct, guys?
Yes.
See, here what will happen means, see, one future will apply to its child. See, for set, duplicates are not allowed. So that future will apply to all its childs. See, the sorted set, the order will be in some ascending order, some order. Okay. So this will apply to tree set as well. Okay. So that's why the tree set is also it will come in ascending order. Okay. If you directly create an object of tree set, and if you're trying to add some element, these things will be in ascending order. Okay.
Oh, got it.
Okay. That's why, guys. Okay.
So what is the main thing of why we use for the trees? Why we go for tree set?
Because you want the numbers to be in sorted order. Okay. And one of the important feature of tree set or tree map. What's that, guys? I told you in the last class. Chaptara? What did I say? Guys,
What question? Question. What is the question?
some important feature of tree set or tree map. What differentiates tree set from hash set? What differentiates tree map from hash map? Suppose the interview question is like the differentiate between tree set and a hash set. What you will say? Yeah, Pika, you tell me, yeah, Pika. Okay. See, you're trying. See, this is some because sorted set means some sorting order, right? Don't mix up the things. Okay, na? Okay. Yeah. Please don't mix up these things. Okay. Okay, na? Okay. Yeah. Don't think it's a generic because it's not a generic. You can't add because in suppose there should be some parameter, right, guys? If you mix up, no, it will be an issue. Okay. So try with go with the integer variable type. Okay. Yeah. Guys, my
Yes.
question is still pending.
Why we go for hash set rather than tree set? Like why we go
Differentiate between tree set and a hash set. The main
when sorting is the key thing. We go for the tree set.
okay.
Right.
Some more difference I
And
want.
some more difference.
Ramakrishna, you tell me, Ramakrishna.
Tree set insertion order is not preserved. We map
Yeah, insertion order. See, insertion order will come in picture only in linked hash header. Sorry, linked hash header, linked hash map, right? Ante kada. We won't speak insertion order in anything sorted set or tree set or hash set. We speak only linked hash set, right? See, in tree set or tree map does not allow null values. Okay, na?
That is you are expecting.
Yeah. Tree set does not allow null values, guys. Okay, na?
The same way, tree map also does not, right?
Yes, ante. Null value is the key in the tree map. Okay, tree set does not allow null values. Okay, to add. And what else? The order should be in ascending order. Okay, order is ascending order. Okay, guys. And see, one of the interview I have faced the question. Okay, I think in Lloyd's Bank only. Okay, he asked me. Okay, you're adding the elements, right? What will be the time complexity? What will be the time complexity? That's why what he asked me. Okay, you're adding these three elements. You know, suppose. Yeah, you're adding these three elements, right? What will be the time complexity of it? Anyone can tell me? Anyone? Ramakrishna Chepta. What is the time complexity and why?
now before
Time complexity. See, internally, how tree set works. You should know. See, we can't also know. See, basically, how it will work, guys, in some ascending order, right? It is giving some sorted order, right? So just
Yeah.
so if you take quick sort, merge sort, or heap sort, they will use n log and time complexity, right? So definitely it will use n log and time complexity. Okay, na? That's what I told. Yeah, it's correct actually. Okay, I'm a correct guess. Ramakrishna, is that fine? Hello.
yes, fine.
See, definitely it will use some quick sort or merge sort, right, guys? It's a data structure concept. Don't worry. Quick sort or merge sort. Okay. For these algorithms, average time complexity is what is that? N log n. Ante kada?
Okay.
Huh? N log n, right? Yeah. This is what the question I have faced in the Lloyd's Bank recently. Okay. Yeah. So these are about reset guys. Okay, na? You might come across an interview perspective. Okay. Okay, na? Yeah. Guys, ps dot add of null. Okay. It will be a runtime error, guys. Okay, na? Okay, guys.
Okay, sir.
See, okay. You'll get null pointer exception. Okay, na? Okay. See, this comparable, when the time comes, I will speak about comparable comparator in detail. Okay. Yeah, but Please try to remember tree set or tree map does not allow null values. As a tree map, it does not allow as a key. Okay, na?
Okay.
Okay. So this is about tree set. Okay, we have done with the set hierarchy, right? I think correct.
Yes.
Now we'll go with map.
Navigable settings.
Yeah, like that only you add. Okay.
Same.
There are some methods. Okay, I don't know. See, that's the interface you cannot create. Okay, like okay.
Yeah.
You can try it afterwards. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like sorted set, how you done? Same thing. Okay. Yeah. What is that? Yeah. It does
Map.
not allow null values. Okay. Null values. Okay, na? As what is that? Null values. Okay. Tree map does not allow null value is the key. Okay, na? Yeah. Now we'll come to map. Okay. The map hierarchy, guys. Chapter ఎవరైనా?
Yes.
చెప్పండి.
It has two hierarchies. like
Exactly.
As said.
So one hierarchy is map, hash map, linked hash map. Second
That
one
is
is
fine.
map, sorted map, navigable map, tree map, right?
Tree map.
Okay, na?
Yes.
Tree map again.
It is.
So we'll speak about tree map, hash map, and linked hash map. Okay, na? I
Yes.
don't want to speak about interface. Okay, yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Tree map,
And other one is hash table.
hash table will speak. Okay, that is different hierarchy. Yeah, that is third hierarchy. Correct. Thanks for remembering.
Yeah.
Yeah, tree map. Tree map చెప్పండి. It does not allow null value as a key. Okay.
Yes. When sorting, if you want a sorted
If you want sorted order of keys, go with the tree map. Okay.
keys. Yes.
If you want sorted order of keys,
But one doubt, when we generally like put the element into the map, like the sequence won't get maintained, right? Hash map.
yeah, I'm coming to that point. See, basically hash map insertion order is not preserved. In linked hash map, an insertion order is preserved. In tree map, they will ascending order of keys. Okay, na? So these are the specialty feature data type. Okay, data structure. Okay, is that fine? I will write it. Okay. Okay. Next, hash map. See, the basic points put to get you know, right? Like I don't want to speak in detail about it. Okay. Here insertion order is not preserved, guys. Okay, na? And what else? Yeah, insertion on remaining put and get methods and guys. In next class, we'll speak about in detail about implementation of hash map, implementation of hash head. Okay, na? These things. Okay, internal implementation will speak. We'll see. Okay, na?
Yeah.
Okay. Hash map. Okay. And what else? Linked hash map. Okay. Here insertion order is preserved, guys.
So tree map, the sequence will be maintained.
Yeah, I told you, it if you want a sorted order of keys, sequence is not maintained tree map, right? Because
That's what I'm saying.
yeah,
Sorted is
this
different,
means
right?
this line meaning is the insertion order is not maintained, right?
Yes, yes.
అంతే కదా
Exactly.
అంతే కదా ఇంకా అందరూ అందుకే that's why I didn't specifically mention insertion order about that insertion. You have to understand, right? In line 181 I told sorted order of keys, that means the order is changing, right? Indirectly.
Yes.
అంతే కదా ఇంకా అందులో ఏముంది అంతా order is preserved. Okay, so just we'll try some example. Okay, na? With by using all these three. Okay, I think I have pasted somewhere. Yeah. See guys, this one is tree map I'm trying to put, okay na? Right? Now we'll just write tm dot put of null. It does not allow guys, okay na? First we'll speak about tree map alone, okay? Don't try to mess up, okay? See guys, now the expected order is 5, 11, 22, right? Guys, okay na? See guys,
Yes, yes.
now try to insert some null value as the key. Okay, it should give runtime error, guys. Okay, na? Like how the tree set gave, right? See, okay, na? You'll get the same exception, null pointer exception. Okay, yeah, that's it, guys. Again, guys, can you try hash map and linked hash map? These things. Oh my God, what happened? Yeah, guys, will you try that hash map and linked hash map on? Let me try that. Just-
We will try.
Okay, because yeah, just 2 lines only. I
Yeah.
already wrote now. That's why just try that, and you try on your own again. Okay.
Yeah.
See, this one it will allow null values. That's what I was trying to say. Okay. The first one it will allow null values. Okay, just run it. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that's so it's not giving. So I'm not printing anyway. And insertion order is not preserved. It allows null values. It operates on put and get operation and key and value principle it follows. Okay.
Yes, yes.
And linked hash map, the order is preserved, guys. Okay. Do you want me to try? Let me try then. I haven't taken any generic type, guys. Okay. See, guys, the order is preserved. Am I correct, guys?
Yes.
Yeah. Now the last one, what is the hash table? Guys, the main difference between hash map and hash these three things and hash table is hash table, the methods are synchronized, guys. Okay. Like how the vector, no, it will behave the same way. Okay. If your requirement is okay, na, some synchronization, okay, some thread safe and synchronization, okay, go with hash table, okay, na?
Okay. So it is supports the multi-thread, right?
Yeah, exactly. So it also works on that same key and value principle. Okay, hash table, but the methods inside it are synchronized case. Okay, na? So it's a thread safe, thread safe. See, very very important caution, guys. Okay, na? Performance is low. Obviously, you can expect you can say same things. Okay.
What
Okay.
is the important question? Like they'll ask about hash table. They're asking.
Yeah. What is hash table? What is the specialty of hash table? They will ask. So if you already have hash map, why will go for hash table like that? They will ask. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Uh,
1 month, sorry. Yeah. Hash table. Storage. I think we need to. Payment flow. Like,
what happens when it hash table?
yeah, yeah, hash table I was checking. Syntax actually, I missed the syntax hash table. Okay, you should. Okay, okay, you should keep. Okay, T is small, guys. Here, that's the mistake I had. It. Let me try that. Yeah, sorry. And the, again, same thing, guys. Okay, but the only thing is, okay, the only. Uh,
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Now it's simple.
the only thing is in hash table T is small, guys. Okay, I forgot. Yeah, okay, I missed that point. Yeah. Yeah, guys, it's a common thing. Okay, like how hash map works, but the only thing is to synchronize it. Okay. Yeah. See guys, here also the insertion order is not preserved. Okay, it is exactly behaving hash map only. The only thing is it is synchronized and thread safe and performance is low. Okay, that's it. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So let me wrap the class. Yeah. Yeah, that's it guys for today. Let me stop sharing.